Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Optimize, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Optimize website. Sign in using your Google account associated with your analytics property. Click on Start for free to create a new account if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to set up a new container. Enter a name for your container and select your website's primary URL. Choose the type of container, typically web, and click on Create. Review and accept the terms and conditions presented. After creating your container, you'll be taken to the container setup page. Here, you will find the Google Optimize installation snippet. Copy the provided code snippet to your clipboard. Next, open your website's HTML file or access your content management system. Paste the Google Optimize snippet immediately before the closing /head tag in your HTML. If you're using a CMS, check if there are specific plugins or options available to add custom scripts easily. Once you've added the snippet, save your changes in your HTML or CMS. Now, navigate back to the Google Optimize interface. Click on Verify Installation to ensure the snippet has been added correctly. After verification, set up your first experiment by following the on-screen prompts. Choose the type of experiment you'd like to run, such as A/B testing or multivariate testing. Configure your experiment settings as desired, including audience targeting and goals. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click Start to launch your experiment. Monitor your experiment's performance through Google Optimize and Google Analytics dashboards. Make necessary adjustments based on data collected for optimal results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.